Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a VEVOR projection stand, and I know I'm in my garage, but since this thing's a little on the taller side, I think this would be the best place to show this off. And after we get it put together, I will put it on a projector and show you how that works. I'll put the projector on this tripod and show you how that works. So anyway, you got some parts in here. Let's get them all out. And then get all this out of the way. So let's get this unboxed. And everything seems like it's labeled pretty good. So this looks like the base plate. Okay. All right, here's a bunch of the pieces. And this is going to be the stand part that the projector sits on. So that is the base, and that is on the heavier side. It's got some weight to it. And then this is the stand that the projector will sit on. Let's get these legs out. Okay, so this is going to be the bottom. And it does come with some screws that are flush mounting to the bottom. So we'll get them out. And it has a couple other pieces. Let me bring the directions closer to you so you can kind of see how it all goes together. Okay, so here are the directions. I think I called it tripod mistakenly. So this is actually a single post that goes in through the middle. So pretty easy to put together. And that's the completion. Okay, so you have these little clips, and they basically, you kind of put them on the edge. Let me bring it closer. Okay, so you have this clip, and basically what you're doing is you're putting it on the edge here, and then you are snapping it into place. And this kind of gives you some little extra protection for your projector to make sure that it stays on here. Okay, so this is your base plate. So this piece is going to go on top, and the screws are going to go in from the top. And it does come with a screwdriver, which is very handy. And I'm not tightening it out completely. I just want to make sure I get everything lined up correctly. And I think I do. Okay, good. Okay, so that's what that should look like. Next, you're going to be looking for the pole that has that little screw piece down at the bottom, and that is going to sit in here. Let me get this wound out a little bit. It's got a little bit of a clip. That's going to go into the bottom, and then you have that other remaining screw, which may or may not have been in the bottom of this. So keep an eye out for that. During shipping, it might bounce around a little bit. So again, we'll put this down. And that sits there like that. So pretty good. you do have the ability to tighten this down as well. And then depending on what you were looking for, so I think we're gonna have the VEVOR logo face this way. We're gonna put the connection holes right there. So basically snap these into place. And just find our home. So that one went there, good. Then this one is gonna go a little bit higher. And again, depending on the height that you're looking for. So we're gonna put the rest of this down onto the floor. So you can get some significant height to this. And this is gonna be the last stage. And you do have the ability to telescope this up even further if you needed to. So that kind of gives you some extra. And that way, it's kind of sitting above so people can kind of sneak under their beam of the LCD projector if need be. So we're going to put that a little bit down so that's more of a bird's eye view for us. And then you have a couple pieces here. So you can use this as a camera stand as well. So if we put this on here, it does have that 1/4 inch fitting for a camera. And it articulates around once you screw that down on, and they can use this as a camera base as well. So pretty awesome. Or you can put this piece on here. So like this, it's kind of like a 2-in-1. I had no idea that it could do that as well. And then you just basically put that stand on, and then you can tighten this down for you. And again, you have the ability to spin that around. And then you can put your projector on and you have a nice stable surface for your projector to work. And you can collapse it down and bring this in, it's portable. And I really like this. I really like the ability to be able to do this. So if you even had a projector that had the 1/4 inch fitting on the bottom, I've seen like smaller compact ones, you can take this piece off and then put this camera piece on. Very cool. So yeah, pretty awesome. I like that. I'll get you some close-up views of this as well. Okay, so I have my projector and I love the versatility of this. So I can put this up on here, get that foam going. And then I have my nice little projector stand and it's nice and cradled and I can move the strap around so I can get access to the power ports, HDMI, whatever I need to. So that is pretty awesome. So let me get you some close-ups. Okay, so that's basically how that projector sits on the stand. And I'll get you some close-up views of that. And then that easily telescopes up if you needed it to. And then you can remove this tray that comes up. And then you have this little piece here. So that holds your tray on there. And again, this is for your other projectors that have a 1/4 inch mount underneath it. You can even use this as a camera stand if you wanted to. So that works pretty awesome. And then this articulates around. So you can even mount something on the side like that, but it gives you a lot of multi-versatility. Anyway, a great stand for setting up a projector or a presentation, and get a second one to put your laptop on. So anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.